Hey man, we got an easy go here. Starter bearings making a noise on it. I'm gonna just show you how to replace the starter bearings. Sounds like a remote control car going down the road. First thing we're gonna do is pull your boots off here. 4 boots. Then what you're gonna do is take your wire off here. And you can see when I took it off the car, I always put the nut back on so it don't mess them up. Now here what I'm gonna do is take the wire here off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the, let me see here. I'm gonna take the nut and screw it back down. That way I know the one that this goes on goes there. All right, that way at the end of the day, I ain't gotta think about it and figure it out. All right, let me get them. I need a 10 millimeter, take that off with. Now you need a 5/16. Take the nuts off with. Now they're bad for breaking, so be careful. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bolts froze on there. So all I'm gonna do is take a hammer, and you can see in there where the threads go in there. Just take the hammer and tap the housing, tap the bolt. Just try to get the rust to free up in it. You see the other bolt from this side. Don't tap it so hard you break it. And don't beat the bolt too much, you mushroom the head. Let's try and see if we can get it. Look at that right there, boy done did it. Let's see if this side works. Nope. Where's the bolt over there? Is there a 10 millimeter nut there? That ain't good, the bolt probably gonna break off. Oh yeah. The bolt probably gonna break off, man. We're trying to free it up. We got a torch here. We got a torch. It should be like a propane torch. Like handheld. You got a yellow can on it. It's probably about 2 foot tall. What are you going camping with? If you had your little torch, like for camping or outside grilling or lighting something up, you could use that. So what I'm gonna do is take it and try to use WD-40 in it. Probably ain't gonna work because it's probably seized up in here. Torch the battery dead.
There's no gas in it though. There's no gas, I don't think it.
Gas in it?
Yeah, you turn the dollar, she's not ready.
Huh?
There you go.
Alright. So we found the torch. We're probably gonna catch the blanket on fire or the WD-40. What we're gonna do is take it, we're gonna heat up. Now you don't want to get the aluminum too hot to distort it. We'll get hot enough where to knock the rust off. Here, they're gonna take it that good.
We'll do it.
I'll take the bolt out. Maybe I get it too hot. When you get too hot, try not to burn the bush like I'm about to. All right, hit it. Reverse. What do you know? All right, moved. We moved some. We can heat up a little more. Look at that, boy. We done did it. Did it break?
Yeah.
It broke?
No, it did not.
I broke.
So did it?
Yeah.
Oh man, how long is it?
Like that one there. I went to. Alright. That might be. Alright, there's just a bear in there. See what there?
You chill it out.
No. See if we got another starter back there. See if we got a used starter, we'll take the fuel winding out. Alright, but that bolt there broke off, so it didn't come out. But here's your brushes here. It's not hot. Alright, here's your brushes. You can see the water on there, but what you want to do is take your brushes when you put the starter back together. Take your brushes, lock them back like that. Lock them back, just like that there. But I'm gonna tell you this though, when you put it back together, I always make sure you push these brushes back down, man. Cause I've done it before on an electric motor, had to take it back off. I've done it before on a starter, had to take it back off. Man, easy to do. All right, so now we're going to take this side off. Now what I normally do is take a screwdriver. In this case, I'm gonna take a Dremel tool. And what I'm gonna do is mark it here. That way I don't have to think when I put it back together. That way no scratch goes there. And then here you got right there. All right, so now ain't no scratch when we put it back together. Yeah, that's close. Yeah, easy go. What's it there? Yep. What's that say? Yeah, they got to pull it out. So what we're gonna do now is take the other side off. All right, they get me like a 3/4 socket. Now see if you can hear the bearing. Can you hear it? Can you hear this? All right, that means the bearing shot. So now we got to get the bearing off. Now what we're gonna have to do is take this pulley off. What size you got? Now we need a gun. It might be a little bigger. Give me, let me see. I think it's 13, 16. Huh? I got the gun. All right, man, just what I expected. 7/8. Should went with my gut to begin with. Then where does that? Can you see that?
Yep.
All right, what I'm gonna do? Hold the pulley with, hold the armature with your hand. All right, just like that. The chances of the pulley coming off, not good. Not good. That's what we're going to do.
You got a camera blurry.
Huh?
Camera blurry.
It's dirty?
Yeah, blurry.
Huh?
Blurry. Look at it. Whatever that. Oh, look at my hand.
What happened there?
You can click on it. Look at my hand.
It's clean now?
Maybe that camera is clean.
Yeah.
Oh,
What happened to it before?
I don't know.
All right, so now what we need is,
I'm banging on it.
Alright, let me take this off here. I'm gonna have to hit on this. So what I'm gonna do is take the armature, put it back inside here. Then I'm gonna put my nut where it's flush. Then I'm gonna try to tap the armature through. Let's see. Moving. Alright, let's see if it moved any. Oh yeah, it moved some. Yeah. Let's put the nut back on. Yeah, we got a big hammer over there now. All right, make it where it's flush. Make sure there's none sticking over it. So when you hit it, you don't mess the threads up. Now I'm gonna hit it back out. Put it back in here. Hit it back out here. All right, you can see it's slowly moving. Give me a some pry bar or screwdriver or something. Need some heat this shit with, man.
Pry bar?
Yeah, some screwdriver I'm put on there. So what we'll do, man, we'll just get a new nut. But that's how it goes. If you had a press, you can just press it on and off. We don't have a press here yet. We had one, but some idiot broke it. So what we'll do, we'll just use this starter right here. We got another starter here. We'll just take the armature off that. I'm trying to get a damn pulley off here, man. I need a press here. Here.
Press.
Yeah, I need a press.
Do that.
Put it in, you press it out.
All right, put it. Chill.
The problem is you can't it's to a point now that if you hit it now, you mess that up. We gotta get it out of there though. Give me a piece of wood. Actually, hold it right here. What are we gonna do? Come over here and hold it right here. What I'm gonna do is take the handle right here of the hammer.
What are you trying to get off?
Alright, man, no all the other crap. Take a piece of wood. I didn't know we had a piece here because we're not in the lumber business. It's moving. Yeah. That's your move. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Huh?
Work.
We gotta get it off there. That's gonna be pain blood. Both times you tear the pulley apart trying to get them off. Alright? Both times you tear these apart. That being in there.
Okay, get out of there.
Bend and pull it down.
Oh.
We need to, you got punch. We need a damn bearing pull what we need.
That big enough?
Yeah, alright, let's put it back here again. See, if we had two of these, we can put two on top of each other and beat down.
So we need two cases.
Let's do this here. You got another piece of wood? Yeah, we had two. That'll work. You got one piece. My friend, I have experience starting motor. As men said, I have experience in car Demero repair. I have experience with starter motor, not starting the car engine. Yeah, this is for a golf cart here. All right, good. What I'm talking about, dog bought a big dog here.
Is it big?
Nice good hole right there. Come over here. Put it down. Hold the hole right there. Hold this way. The guy said I have experience, man. You don't want no experience. Can you see the camera?
Yeah, it's middle.
Now I'm gonna tell you, try to beat the center down.
Got two cameras going.
I know.
Yeah. It's a piece,
Yeah, that's coming up now. You dropping? Oh, you're on this. There you go.
okay.
I'm
new.
No wonder it wouldn't move. He was sitting on it. He's new though. You gotta forgive him. Look at that, son. Makes a big difference when you ain't sitting on nothing. All right, there we go. Got that off. We got. Man, what you doing car work, man? All right, Jay. We need a like look on your bearing. Have me a rag. Jason, he said if no work in his country is pity. Yeah, we're in Myrtle Beach here, man. Working on golf carts, trying to make a living.
USA.
Man, I tell you, this year here has been a dead year.
USA.
What you want to do though, look on your bearing. And you can see on there 6204 is your bearing number. All right, Jacob. All right, we're back. We want to see if we got a. Let's see if we got a starter bearing.
What's it do? America is very difficult to find jobs. That's damn true. It's hard. If you want to go to America, it's hard to find a job. If you want to come to America, it's hard to find a job. Right here.
All right, man, we're back. We're back. My bad, man. We had to go find the bearing. And of course, the one you need is in the bottom, man. You can just fast forward through this part. Just fast forward through there. What I'm gonna use is the
communicate better in private.
So what I'm gonna do, pull the snap ring out of here. I got a good snap ring. The snap-on pliers cost me $20 a month, 37 years. Lost my kids because of it. Got the snap ring. Put the snap ring out of there. You can use the 2 screwdrivers, whatever you got. I'm gonna take it, tap it, hold it over there, too. All right. That bearing's out of there. Put a new one in. Put on something solid and just tap it. Outside edges. Huh? I know it come handy. All right, where the other snap pliers at? One, two, one back up. Look at that there. Then we put the snap ring back. Make sure you put it the same way it come out. If you look at it, it's tapered on one side, kind of beveled. Make sure you put the bevel part up. All right, just like that. And then we're gonna see if we can salvage this. All right, Dave, might take this off here. Somebody calling you, Jake.
Ready. We're gonna go for it. Doing it. What is that starter? Repairing starter. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What's up? Yeah, about another hour or two. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Going down.
Let's see. Let's do that tap. We had a dive, don't we? See how get it started. We had a dive.
That's it? What am I supposed to do?
Get started on there.
Yeah, you can start on it.
Stop it here. We have to do another video.